Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a really quick project, making some building blocks for my kids. Now we've got lots of scrap wood around the shop. This is perfect to clear off the shelf a little bit, get rid of some of the scrap wood, and also make something fun that the kids can enjoy making with me and enjoy playing with afterwards. Now I'm going to try to pick out pieces of wood that are both different types of wood but also different sizes, a bunch of different varieties so that they can use their imagination to build all kinds of things. I've got a piece of wood clamped onto my fence here so I can make sure every single one of these is exactly the same length, and I can do it really quick just going down the line, cutting each one. I know they're going to be exactly the same. I'm going to use some of these round dowels I've had on the shelf probably for 3 or 4 years now. I haven't used them yet, so I'm going to go ahead and cut up a few of these into some blocks. These round dowels can be really tricky to cut on a chop saw, especially when you're cutting shorter lengths like this. So I'm going to clamp one side down to my saw fence, and then the other side I'm holding with a push stick to keep my hands away, because those small pieces of dowels can suck into the blade really easily and be pretty dangerous if you're holding on to it. Then I'll cut out a few triangles, some smaller ones and then some larger, just to have some variety. You can use these for roofs and different things when you're building. Now I'm done cutting out all the blocks. I'm going to move on to sanding down these pieces of wood. And really all I'm trying to do is prevent any splinters or sharp edges on these blocks from hurting anyone. So I'm just going to lightly sand it down. This is going to take a little while to sand down each of these pieces, but this is a perfect opportunity for any kids to help out if they want to. And Gemma's going to help me sand down some of these. She's excited to play with them, and she always wants to help out with my projects. So this is a great opportunity for her. After sanding everything down, we're going to move on to adding some oil just to protect these blocks for a bit longer. And this is some butcher block, countertop, and cutting board oil that's food safe. Next, we'll lay them out on a towel in front of our wood stove to let them soak up the oil and dry out for a few hours before they can start playing with them. Alright guys, that just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is a great project for kids and to get some wood out of your shop if you've got scrap wood laying around. So don't forget to hit that like button down below on this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.